Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and delve into the most pressing environmental issues of our time. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey. Today, we're going to talk about a crisis that's been unfolding in the tropics, a region often referred to as the lungs of the Earth. The tropical rainforests, which cover only about 6% of the planet's surface, are home to an astonishing array of plant and animal species and play a critical role in regulating the global climate. But these incredible ecosystems are facing an unprecedented threat. According to recent satellite data, 2024 saw a record-breaking 6.7 million hectares of tropical primary rainforest lost, nearly double the amount lost in the previous year. This is equivalent to about 18 football fields every minute. The main driver of this destruction? Fire. Fires, fueled by climate extremes and human activities, such as land clearing and logging, are tearing through vast stretches of forest at an alarming rate. In Latin America, Brazil accounted for a staggering 42% of global tropical forest loss, while Bolivia saw a 200% surge in primary forest destruction. The Congo Basin, once relatively spared, is also experiencing record deforestation. The consequences of this ecological disaster are far-reaching. Rainforests moderate the climate, regulate rainfall, and store hundreds of billions of tons of carbon. Their destruction accelerates planetary instability, alters rainfall patterns, and has cascading effects on agriculture and water supplies. As we mark World Rainforest Day, it's clear that the situation is urgent. We need to take immediate action to protect these vital ecosystems and prevent further devastation. But there is hope. Some countries have shown that deforestation can be curbed with political will, international investment, and effective governance. Indigenous communities, in particular, remain among the most capable stewards of tropical forests. We'll be exploring this story in more depth, including the role of fire in tropical forest ecosystems and the efforts being made to protect these incredible environments. We'll also be talking to experts and conservationists who are working tirelessly to preserve the world's rainforests. So stay with us as we venture into the heart of the tropics and explore the complex relationships between humans, fire, and the natural world. It's a story that's both alarming and inspiring, and one that reminds us of the critical importance of preserving the planet's most precious ecosystems. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. We've been exploring the intricate relationships between humans and the natural world, and now we're going to delve into a fascinating tale that highlights the complexities of urban tree conservation. In the heart of Melbourne, Australia, a dispute is brewing between homeowners and local councils over the protection of significant trees on private property. The story begins with Nicholas Jackson, who's been embroiled in a costly battle with his local council, Stonington, over a majestic liquid amber tree that's causing damage to his driveway. As we walk through this narrative, you'll notice the delicate balance between individual property rights and the broader community benefits of preserving urban canopy. The City of Melbourne has implemented regulations to safeguard its trees, recognizing the crucial role they play in mitigating the urban heat island effect, reducing emissions, and providing habitat for local wildlife. Arborist Ryan Roche notes that councils have responded to tree loss on private land by introducing planning overlays and local laws, which often require permits for removal or alteration of significant trees. However, this has led to concerns about the financial burden placed on homeowners like Jackson, who's facing a dire financial matter due to the regulatory framework. Lawyer Matthew Franke suggests that, while councils have the right to make decisions under planning schemes, local law permits might not be the most effective way to manage tree disputes. The lack of statutory timeframes for decision-making and limited council resources can lead to a sense of frustration among homeowners. As we navigate this complex issue, it's essential to consider the perspectives of all stakeholders involved. Councillor Selina Zhang acknowledges the costs borne by some households to maintain trees for the broader community benefit, while Mayor Simone Smoot emphasizes the importance of protecting what can't be replaced. The question remains, how can we strike a balance between individual property rights and the collective benefits of urban tree conservation? Is it possible to find a middle ground that acknowledges the financial burdens on homeowners while preserving the ecological and aesthetic value of these trees? As we ponder this conundrum, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and significance of urban trees. They provide shade, reduce noise pollution, and create habitats for urban wildlife. In an increasingly developed world, it's crucial that we prioritize their preservation. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we've been delving into the fascinating world of urban tree conservation and the delicate balance between individual property rights and collective ecological benefits. As we conclude our journey today, let's venture into a different realm of discovery, one that takes us back in time to uncover the secrets of human evolution. In the 1930s, a mysterious skull was unearthed, which would later become known as the Dragon Man. This enigmatic find sparked intense curiosity among scientists and the public alike, with many speculating about its origins and significance. For decades, the Dragon Man's skull remained an intriguing puzzle piece in the story of human evolution, sometimes thought to represent a new species altogether. However, recent studies published in the prestigious journals Cell and Science have finally shed light on the identity of this ancient relic. Through meticulous research and advanced genetic analysis, scientists have revealed that the 146,000-year-old Dragon Man skull belongs to an existing species within the human evolutionary tree. This discovery not only clarifies the position of the Dragon Man in our ancestral lineage, but also underscores the complexity and richness of human evolution. As we ponder the significance of this find, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey of scientific inquiry that has brought us to this point. From the initial excitement of discovery to the painstaking process of analysis and verification, each step has contributed to our deeper understanding of where we come from and how we have evolved over time. The story of the Dragon Man skull is a testament to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It reminds us that even in the face of uncertainty, scientific humility and rigorous investigation can lead to profound insights into our natural world and our place within it. As we close this chapter on the Dragon Man and reflect on the urban trees that began our journey today, let's remember that both stories are intertwined threads in the vast tapestry of life on Earth. Whether exploring the depths of human history or advocating for the preservation of our ecological heritage, each narrative enriches our understanding of the world and our responsibility to it. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.